It's your girl, Rare Secrets, coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mom and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all, I purchased some, like some little things from Dollar Tree and Five Below. Let's get into it. Y'all, so I love Hello Kitty. So they just had little Hello Kitty stuff at Five Below. And school's about to start. By the time y'all see this, I don't know if school started already or about to start, but I know a lot of time my classes be having me do, like, I don't know, stuff that I just be like, are we really supposed to be doing this in college? So I just be getting little stuff just to be prepared. Like sometimes they might have us draw something or take a picture or something. So I got this little it's like a stencil, sticker, and sketchbook in case I have to do any projects or anything, knowing 9 times out of 10 I'm probably gonna have to do papers and stuff like that. So, you know, stuff just to jot stuff down and stuff like that, just to have. And these also had markers that come with it, so I just figured, hey, why not just, you know, pick up some little stuff. Can't have too many sketchbooks and stuff. Stickers, y'all know I like to put stickers in my planner and for school. And then little stuff if I'm bored, just something to do, for real. You know, just cute little stuff. So this is an activity pad. I got this also from Five Below. They had this Hello Kitty pen. They had that one. And this one, I thought these were so cute. It's a Hello Kitty and then a bow one. Y'all, so cute. And then they also had this little phone umbrella. It's for it's a stand, and then you can also put like the thing on there. I don't want to open it because I'm not gonna, yeah, but it's an umbrella for your phone. Extra, but it's cute. What else? You can't have too many lip balms, so I got these Vaseline lip gloss things. The little petroleum jelly little sticks. So I'll probably get my grandma one because she always losing hers, my mama one, and then me one. So yeah, all of these for $5. So basically they're like $1 each because you get 5 in here. So yeah, definitely cute. And then y'all, I've been wanting to try freeze dried candy, and I was gonna order some offline, but my mom just like, no, don't order none offline, just see if you can get it locally. And I actually was able to find locally at Five Below. Y'all, they got these freeze-dried crunchy worms. These go hard. Freeze-dried crunchy bears. These go hard too. And then these freeze-dried rainbow bites. These basically taste like Skittles, basically. And these taste like sour gummy worms and sour gummy bears. If you can get your hands on these, yes, these are $5. These 1.7 ounce bags. Well, no, this is 1.7, this is 1.5, and this is 4.2. Yes, these bags cost $5 each. So if you can get your hands on these, okay, is my phone okay? Thank you. So yeah, if you can get your hands on these, definitely try them. They only have these 3 flavors available. Yeah, and I was thirsty. These are my favorite. Second, third, because I'm not really a Skittles eater, but yeah. And then from Dollar Tree, y'all, these reminded me of childhood. Remember back in the day where they had like the scratch and sniff stickers and gel pens and markers? Well, they had these scented gel pens in the flavors of Fruit Loops, or the scents, I ain't gonna say flavors, but the scents of Fruit Loops and Mike and Ike's. Y'all, these are gel pens. I thought they were so cute. Had to get them. Like when I was younger, back in elementary school, y'all, gel pens were my thing. Like, were my thing. Of course, I've seen this purple pen. This is, I guess, celebrating 100 years of Disney. It has Mickey Mouse. Let me open this. I want to open it because I had just bought a pen, actually, not too long ago from Dollar Tree, and this was the Be Kind, and it's like, it got the princesses on there, so it has Tiana, That movie with The Rock, what is it? Moana? I'm not sure. I never seen it. Well, I haven't seen it yet. Ariel, Flounder, and that's it. But it's basically the different kinds. And I thought this was so cute. Remind me of childhood. I remember back in the day, I used to always use these pens, being thirsty when it was school time. Get these pens and child back in the day. But yeah, I got this one. It has oh, I forgot that one movie that came out. It started with an E. And oh my goodness, what is that? I don't know. Sleeping Beauty. I think that's Woody. Lilo and Stitch. Tinkerbell. Yeah, so different ones. Did I need more pens? No. And then I had even purchased this pen from the Halloween store, y'all. I love pens. Terrible. It's a terrible thing. Then I purchased these pens from Dollar Tree. They're fashion pens, 3 ballpoint pens, black ink. I thought they were cute because of the little print and stuff. So yeah. Then I don't know why I purchased this, but it's a keyring laser pointer. It has dual function. It's a laser pointer. It has LED lights, and it's a keychain. That's it. I was waiting to check out, and I seen it, and I was just like, why not? I'm always picking up stuff. And this is something else that was at the checkout. It says it's a sticker book, 80s pets. Y'all, I'm just picking up stuff. But y'all know I like to put stickers on my calendar and in my planner. So in my journal, and then I plan on to start writing some poetry. I've actually written a few poetry entries that I wrote down and kind of just left it at the gate, I guess you could say. So I guess like because I just ordered me another little planner thing, so I can, well, journal I can use as a planner, whatever the case may be. So yeah, I'll definitely let y'all know, because I want to show y'all like different stuff. Like maybe we could do if y'all are up to it, and even if y'all ain't, I might still just do it. But I'm thinking about doing like a vision board, or my spin on a vision board, because my job, one day we had like a team building activity to do like a vision board with your own spin on it. And I did my vision board, but it was stickers, like words and stickers and like my goals and stuff. So I don't know, we might do a vision board and have stickers and stuff in here. But yeah, I love stickers. So tubular, funky fresh, get lost, eat my shorts, no duh. These are just cute, just funny little stuff. This definitely reminded me back in the day, like these colors. Okay, are you gonna? Thank you. These colors, arcade games, the cell phones, those are big cell phones back in the day. The windbreakers. This remind me of that gum, that zebra gum, that I think would have like the tongue tattoos you can do, but the gum was just like, it only lasted for like literally a split second. The Rubik's Cube. Cassette players, boombox. This little cursor that reminds me back in the day, like the you got mail, like dial-up internet. Oh my goodness, that was the worst. If you were, I guess I could say, if you were of age back in the day, dial-up. Oh my goodness, that was the worst. Like you could literally probably go make dinner or eat your dinner and come back, and then like the noise of dial-up. Because what was it? I think AOL. Yeah, back in the day. But anyway, I'm telling my age. Y'all, this is my mini haul that I got from Dollar Tree and Five Below. Just little things to have. School is starting for me, y'all know. Yeah, your girl's a junior now, so just buying little stuff like, now that I'm getting back in the hang of things, because before I started my freshman year, I had been out of school for a minute. I want to say I graduated community college in 2014, so I had been out the game for a minute. So it's just like, it took me to go through these semesters now at the age that I am to know like what I need, what I don't need, because like my freshman year I was buying like papers and binders, and you need that stuff, but you just need it to a certain extent, especially when you're taking online courses, because it's like everything is just in your lab, either on your tablet or on your laptop. So I'm just buying little things because I like to write and stuff, or if I need to take notes for an exam or make my own study guide. You can't have too many pens, especially if you're looking for pens. It's like when you're looking for one, you can't find one, but when you don't need one, you have a plethora of them. So I just wanted to share this with you all. Hopefully I'm not the only one that just pick up unnecessary things when they're at the checkup line, or just going to Dollar Tree and Five Below, because for some reason I just love those stores. But yeah, let me know what's your go-to, or what's your, I don't know, what's one of your weak points when you're at the checkout line. Like, do you look at the magazines or the tabloids? Do you grab a soda out the middle mini refrigerator, or like a Red Bull? Do you grab like some gum or some chips or a candy bar or some mints, or I don't know. Am I the only one that just be like, looking like, what else can I buy? But I hope y'all enjoy this, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.